Hi Ann, just wanted to show you how you can turn the subtitles on and off. You have to go back to this screen, in other words where the movies originally are, and then you press on in the middle of it, double click on it. You do not press on the play button or these other buttons. You press right in the middle and you get this screen. And it's important you get this screen because you see there's a description and you scroll down and at the bottom is the subtitle option, which turns them on and off. In this case, they seem to be on, but if you click the little button, you can turn it off or find other ones too. So make sure that that is on before you continue, and then you just play resume.